now. Hi, welcome to Jack TV, one of the best TV station online on YouTube, on Google, on MySpace. As you see right now, I have one of our guests right now, which is my student, which is Laguerre J. Pierre.
Yeah.
Laguerre, how you doing, Laguerre?
I'm going okay. How you doing?
Doing great. Okay, that's good. Laguerre, Laguerre is my student. Laguerre is my student. I'm teaching him computer technology, where he could go and where he could study the thing that he's never done before. Right now, he's capable to send a picture to his kids. That's living from all the way. Wherever he live at. And now, Laguerre, the lesson that I give it to you. What do you learn so far? What do you learn?
So I learned a lot of things from you.
You learn a lot of things from me.
Lot of things.
So what can you say to the people out there? What can you say to the people out there? And the thing that I teach people, because that's the thing, we Asian, we try the knowledge that I have, I want to give it to everybody out there. The way that I can teach people out there, where they could learn something also. The technology is very important, right?
Yeah.
So right now, as you can see right now, the people right there, they can view you. They all over the world, people that type, Jack like a class, and they could see you also as you're a student. You could go everywhere in the world to see you right now.
Right.
So that's what I'm saying. The technology is very beautiful. So the people out there, I'm telling you, I could teach you anywhere you at.
Yeah.
I could teach you. I could take over your computer. I could teach you, give you the lesson. That's what I'm trying to do to all the community out there. Not just Haitian, to everybody. Everybody.
Right.
We could learn from me. So Laguerre, it was a pleasure to have you in my show. It was a pleasure to have you on my show. This is it. So stay tuned to Jack TV, one of the best TV station online.
All right.